So the University of Hyderabad is organizing a 4-day national workshop and seminar. This is basically a meet of the Society of Biological Chemists of India, where it is a 4-day conference, and the people who are working in the area of genome and genes, DNA, they are coming together from all over the country. The best talent of the country is assembled here, and there are 800 delegates are going to participate, and they are going to present their papers. There are plenary talks, there is symposiums, there is a poster competition for the students, and here this is an opportunity to showcase the best research which is undertaking in the area of life sciences in the country. And the students who are 400 research scholars pursuing their research in the School of Life Sciences are going to get benefit of the latest developments in the field of genomes, and they are trying to look at the basic applications and basic research in the field of genome and life sciences. It will try to resolve try to problems and discuss and give an provide an enthusiasm among the research scholars to innovate new things, to discover the new challenges, and it will give overall, it is trying to help the student community to understand the most recent happenings in the field, and it will also probably decide the agenda for their future, in which direction they are supposed to pursue their research. There are about 800 delegates coming from across the country, including from European Biological Society and Korean Biological Society. And there are a lot of posters, and several hundreds of posters are placed, and there is an exhibition of it. And students, I think, starting from MSc or even university integrated students also participating into that, and PhDs and postdoctorals, and faculty from IISCs, faculty from CSR laboratories and DST organizations, DBT organizations, they are taking part of it. The main objective is, it is an annual meet of the society, and it is like appraising the last 1 year what has been happening in the area of life sciences research in the country. That is what is the showcasing, interacting, exposing, discussions, and the possibility for collaborative research. And one need to know, to avoid the duplication of the research, the young research scholars also should know what's happening in the country, so that it will help them to avoid the duplication, and it also helps them, it probably tell where they are when compared to their counterparts. It is for 4 days.